Hi there, I'm Jennifer Ferguson with Artistic Painting Studio, and today I'm going to show you how to make a really fun Valentine's t-shirt using some beautiful leopard pink foil. Well, this is a fun project and we don't need a lot of material to do it. So we are starting off with a t-shirt, okay, that I just found in my own closet. I grabbed this cute little stencil from a company called Stencils. And before I put it on my shirt, I have sprayed the back of this with Stick It spray adhesive. And this is a repositionable spray adhesive. And it's very important that we actually use that on the stencil with this application because we are going to be using our spray foil adhesive, and the stencil has to be completely stuck down to your surface so that we don't get anything spraying underneath. Okay, I'm trying to hopefully get that centered. Okay, I was kind of using the point of the V-neck for the point of the stencil, okay, and then I'm still going to go ahead, even though I've got the stencil stuck to the surface, we're going to use some of our blue tape and give ourselves a little extra barrier. Because we're using a spray adhesive, we don't want our spray to get onto anything else. So this is just kind of giving us more room to be able to spray. Then we're going to take this. This is deco foil. This will be in our supply list. You can order it through us. You're going to shake this and shake this. You want to shake it for a few seconds so that it's all, you can hear that ball in there, okay? And shake it up really, really, really good. And then once you have this hopefully shaken up well, all we're going to do is spray over the openings, okay? And it comes out white, so you can definitely see where it is. And then we need to allow that to dry for about 10 minutes. So while that's drying, we're going to talk about our foils. So we can go ahead and completely remove our stencil and take that off. And you can already see we've got this really cute design on there. Look how fun that's going to be. And I'm just trying to get the fabrics completely smoothed out if possible. So where we're going to be transferring, okay, so we're going to be transferring this gorgeous pink leopard foil. So I'm going to cut a piece off that is large enough to cover the heart all at once, okay, so it's wide enough. So I'm just going to cut off a piece of the foil. Once you give the foil spray adhesive at least 10 minutes to dry, then you're going to take your beautiful foil, okay, and can't you just love this pink leopard? How can you go wrong with that? Lay it over the surface, cover the entire design, and then I have an iron here, and the iron is on like medium heat, and we are going to just iron on the foil, okay? So make sure that you get over the whole design. And I just kind of move it back and forth. You can use parchment paper, okay, and layer it over the foil if you want. But I have found that just putting the iron directly over works just fine. Once you actually start to get it to where it is sticking to the pattern, you'll be able to basically see the design kind of come through a little bit. And then you can just make sure that you have ironed out far enough, okay, that you've covered the whole design. And then once we do this, we just have to let the material cool off, okay? You have to allow the foil to cool down. So don't try to remove it while it's warm. It needs to cool. So I'm just kind of lifting it up and fanning it a little bit to cool it quicker. And let it cool naturally. Don't go try to put it in front of a fan, or don't go stick it in the refrigerator or the ice box, okay? But just let it cool down naturally, and speed it up a little bit if you want, like I'm doing. And then once it's cooled off, all you're going to do is peel back your foil. And oh my gosh, This is just so incredibly cute. It sticks perfectly to the stencil, okay? So look how awesome that is. Okay, I'll be back modeling this for you guys in a minute. So as promised, here is the completed project, okay? I have a great shirt to be sporting for Valentine's Day now, and it didn't take much. So remember, a great stencil, some wonderful foil, a little bit of fabric spray adhesive, and you've got a great project. Thanks for joining me.